Hey, what's good with it, folks? Welcome to Centrails. I'm your boy AG of BHB. Now, what I have for y'all today is a first impressions of Club de Nuit Intense Men by Armaf. But no, not the original EDT version. This is actually the newer Eau de Parfum limited edition version that just came out not too long ago. Now, I've seen a few people review this one already, but it seems to be a mixed bag. Some people think it's good, other people think it's crap. But either way, I'm looking forward and let y'all know exactly what I think. But before we get started, do me a favor, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. As soon as the screen comes up, make sure you hit all. So in the future, anytime that I do a first impressions or reviews, previews, top 10 list, or anything that's fragrance related, you'll be one of the first to know. Now let's go ahead and get started. Man, I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little excited to see if this thing is good or not. I don't have the original Club de Nuit Intense Man anymore. So I know I'm probably setting myself up for a letdown, but I'm hoping that this thing is good. Now check this out. I know, right? Looks like my daughter got a hold of this box, slapped a JoJo Siwa bow on it, and handed it to me. Like, what is Armaf trying to do with this thing? Like, they're trying to make this thing cute? But anyways, leave it to Armaf, right? To give us funny bottles, or in this case, funny boxes. It's crazy. All right, so had this little thing in here. It looks like it's advertising Club de Nuit Intense, an Urban Man, and the new Millestone. But anyways, all right. So it looks like the outside of the box, minus the bow. Let's go ahead and wrap this out, or unwrap it. Okay, so it's actually a fold out box, right? Check this out. Guess we got some writing in here letting us know a little bit about this thing. But here's the box. Now, like, I don't know about you guys, but from what I remember from the old bottle, this one seems to look a whole lot better. And I like the little red lettering. It really stands out, man. I really like this bottle, but like I said, never judge a book by its cover though, right? It's not what's on the outside, it's what's on the inside. So let's go ahead and check out this fragrance, man. I hope that this thing's good. Go ahead and make some room here. Pull up my sleeve a little bit more so I don't get it all over my jacket. And here we go. I can kind of smell it on here. But anyways, here we go. Man, this is nice, guys. So one of the biggest complaints that a lot of people had about the original Club de Nuit Intense, man, is that it has a very strong opening, and to some people it's actually kind of off-putting, but this one here definitely got rid of that. You don't have that strong opening. It's toned down. I know some of the reviewers said that this is crap. Man, I don't know what they were thinking, because doesn't smell like crap to me. This actually smells better to me. It's smelling a little fruitier, not like too fruity, because you still get that lemon-y or bergamot or type smell that you had from the original. Unfortunately, guys, I don't have the original anymore, so I could do a side-by-side comparison. I'm sure some of y'all would love it. I would have loved to have done that for you. But my pops ended up coming into town not too long ago, and I was showing him about my fragrances, and we were talking about fragrances. He told me how he loves like manly, strong colognes or fragrances. He fell in love with the original. So I told him, well, Dad, if you like it, you're gonna rock it, well, go ahead and take it with you. You can have that one. And then shortly after he took it, I ended up wanting to wear it again, and I didn't have it anymore, which is how I came across this one. I went looking to buy the original again, and I came across this one, and I was like, well, you know what? I'll go ahead and pull the trigger on this one. So is this a little redundant? Probably so. It's kind of similar to how some companies put out the EDT versions of a fragrance, and then they put out the Eau de Parfum, and then they put out the Parfum version, and the Eau de Parfum is like slightly similar to the original. Pretty much the same thing you have here. It's a little bit more smoother, more refined, but not that much different from the original. Since it's similar, if you already own the original, you probably don't need to pick this one up. But if you're an Armaf fan and you buy all the Armaf stuff that comes out, then this is obviously going to be for you. If you're one of those people that love all Aventus clones, because now there's folks out there that love everything Aventus clones, they buy up everything that's an Aventus clone. If that's the case, then this one's also for you. But other than that, I mean, it's not that much different from the original. It's a little bit more fruitier as well. You know, not anywhere along the lines of English Laundries is London. Those that follow me on Instagram know that I love that opening scent because of the fruitiness on it. This one's nowhere near as fruity as that. I don't know the note breakdown. I haven't been able to find it, but it's definitely just a slight bit fruitier. So redundant, probably so. But if you don't have either one and you're trying to figure out which one to get, I would say pick this one up. Although I would say wait around a little bit, because right now the only place I've been able to find it on was fragrancebuy.ca, and it's going for around like $60. So if you don't mind paying that, then go ahead. But if you wait a while, I'm sure the price will drop, just like all Armaf fragrances normally do, and you'll be able to pick this up around the same price as the original. And so yeah, so I like it. Hopefully, you know, you guys enjoy it too. If you enjoy this review though, do me a favor, man. Go ahead and hit the like button. Like I said, I'll be putting out more videos on top 10s, you know, reviews, previews, unboxing, or first impressions. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me. But that's all the time I have for y'all for now. I'll see y'all on the next one.